Hey, food face. How you doing? Look at all that food in her face. This one usually in her bowl. She's not. Hi, food face. Okay. Here's what I want to show some of my friends, and well, all of you watching this. I modded my Tassimo system, sort of. As you can see from the bottom corner of the screen, I'm using my Lego tripod, because why not? Okay. Just listening to background Twilight Zone. Okay, so let me show you what I did here. This is the original Tassimo cleaning cartridge thing. As you can see, I taped, focus, I taped something over it. I cut apart a regular jumbo coffee thing here, and the size of these cups are meant for slightly bigger than this. I'll show you in a minute. So, like this one will fill up, and then this one will get a little bit in it, or vice versa, of course. So what I did, I cut the barcodes off of it. This barcode allows it to fill, say, 1 cup and a quarter. This barcode glitches it. It just does top up. I'll show you that in a second. So let me compare it with the original. I'm going to take the tag off in a second. So yes, I just took a paring knife, cut it off the original label. Focus. Focus. Good enough. So yeah, I cut off this barcode and that one just to test it out, see what it did. So you can see I got curious. I tried it both ways, like see how it's backwards. This curves to be like originally it was intended just to. Man, this is really out of focus. Sorry about that. Originally intended to be stuck on like that. You just gotta line up the white square. So like right there, I think should be good enough. Haven't had a single problem yet. And I think this is the right one. Let's just have a quick little... Yeah, it is, because this one has big barcode pieces on the end. This one has small, as you can see, so that's that one. So let me show you what I'm getting at. Sorry for all the rambling. That one's the one that doesn't work right, but I just put it there for... That's like, I'll show you that one after. Let's take it off for now. Just stick it there. Okay. So let me show you what the cleaning thing looks like originally when it fills up. Okay, so I put the overflow back in. Here's the, here's the plain cartridge going into the machine. I should raise this up a little bit more. 1 second. That's the best I could do. I'm using larger containers and lids. I don't got a tripod right now. So yeah, normal cartridge in the machine. Turn the thing on first. So this is what the normal cup looks like. We use this thing a lot. We use this basically as our kettle, because our actual kettle sometimes blows fuses and it's not doing the best. But my grandfather drinks a lot of tea, and instead of buying tea, probably more expensive in this format, we just buy like normal tea bags, you can see right here, and put them into that cup. But it's almost done. I'll show you how much water is in this cup. Should show up on camera, I hope. But yeah, this is what the yellow one. And I also notice it comes out cold for the first little bit. You got to run it through a couple times to get it warmed up. Half a cup. The spill water over the system here. Yeah, so okay, half a cup of water. So it's only about up to here, basically. And well, of course, you want a full cup. So you have to basically push it one more time. Sometimes it'll overfill, so you have to stop it quickly or reset it or do a top up instead. Whatever, enough of that. Now, let me show you what the modded thing does. It acts just like one of these Maybop filters. So what I did, as you you can see, I also emptied it out. I'm recycling, look how nasty this looks. I'm recycling coffee grounds for my garden. So yeah, just cut that off with a paring knife. Took my barcodes off I wanted and stuck them onto the filter, and I thought, hey, let's see if this will actually work. And I never really realized, I thought the barcode on here originally was just for like manufacturing purposes and what box it goes in, but no, the machine here actually has a barcode reader. That's why these things are probably so expensive when they first came out. See that little piece of glass right there? That is like you would have at a grocery store or a big store like Walmart when you price check your items. It basically reads that and it does what it's supposed to do. I know some machines will add milk and whatever, but this one can't, so that's probably why these have two barcodes, and this one doesn't work on the machine, doesn't line up, but this one does line up. So yeah, modded filter is in, modded whatever water thing is in. Now watch this. Ooh, that was not sitting pretty. Okay, we're good. Now see how long it takes here, and it starts up instantly too. I think it boils the water really quick. So yeah, as you can see, it already started, like compared to the yellow one. The yellow one's really only meant for cleaning, I think, and getting a quick little bit of water out of it. It's supposed to be in the back of the machine, but we keep it out on the counter because we use it non-stop for tea. We usually have the yellow thing. We rarely have these. They're usually too expensive. We only get them when they're on sale. We use the Keurig a lot, though, as you can tell. This box folders right here. Most time we just buy a big, oh, it ran out again. Big box of no name. I'll show you an empty box in a minute what it looks like. So as you can see, it's still filling up. It's at the halfway point right now. Let's get a little closer. The halfway point right now. Beyond that now, it's almost full. So what I do, and I also done this before when I've messed up and filled too much water in the Keurig, or people do it wrong sometimes. So okay, that's full. You gotta quickly switch them, or just shut it off. But yeah, this is a full cup right here. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, full cup of hot water, boiling hot water, like hot to the touch. Even you can feel through the mug. And this one's going to fill probably a quarter of the way, or a little more. 1 second, the phone is ringing. Let's just, I'll call back. 1 second, let's see here. Okay, so as you see, the water stopped. Back in a second. Okay, so a couple minutes passed. I was on the phone for a couple minutes. Yeah, this blinked for a bit, whatever it usually does. And that's almost half. So a little bit of extra hot water there. But yeah, so as you can see, with the barcode added into this, it does make the machine run a bit longer. So what I'm going to do now, just because the end of the video, and why not, let's glitch the machine a little bit. Take the barcode from this part that's not used, because only the machine reads this barcode, like I said earlier. It doesn't read this one. But I cut both off, and they are both different. You can tell that just by the line and shape of the lines and sizes that they're both different. So I'm going to stick that one over that one temporarily, stick it in, and you'll see that it acts a little funny. See, this just says top up or add a cup or whatever. So when I put it in and push the button, it does nothing sometimes. Like it'll hold it and then thinks it's doing cleaning or something. Don't really know what it's doing. See, a little bit came out. That's it so far. It's doing something though. So yeah, that just acts a little screwy. Now I'm just holding it. And when you hold it, then it glitches and it'll run non-stop. Oh, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Like I said, it doesn't work right. That one barcode's not really meant for this machine, basically. So, yeah, let's take that one off. Let's put this one away. Screw around with it for another day. Up here on top. I'll leave this one on. Maybe get some more tape so it's got a little wet. But yeah, just some Scotch tape, a knife, cut off the barcode, stuck it over, and that's how I semi-hacked or soft-modded my Tassimo. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, and like I was saying earlier, we do have both. We're not like spoiled rich, but this was a free hand-me-down from a relative who doesn't drink coffee anymore. And they also told us how to clean it and take care of it. Anybody know how this works? I think it takes batteries. It's supposed to have numbers or something, or like a line, but I never got it working yet, and we tried to pull it off with a knife, never popped off. And this was a housewarming gift from family. So I'll recycle this one too, because I'm recycling coffee. I'm going to mix it with soil. So, thanks for watching. We use this for everything, like I said. We use it to make oatmeal. We use it to make tea. We use it to get a glass of hot water for a cooking project, and project, whatever. Anything. Tea, instant coffee. Well, we also make instant coffee with that, but it comes out too dark sometimes. So, our kettle here has been through a lot. As you can see, it's been dropped and banged around, but when the kettle is on, we change some plugins around, but the fridge used to be here, and this table used to be over here behind me where the fridge is now. We had the kettle on, the microwave was plugged in over there, and the air conditioner going in that window, not there right now because spring and winter just ended, it would actually kick the whole room off, which also messed up our cable because our main box was down here, but we moved a lot of things. Haven't had a single electrical problem yet since we did it like this. Because this whole room's on one circuit, minus this plug-in that we use the coffee maker, kettle, and microwave on now. So that plug-in's the best plug-in in the whole... Yeah, I heard that. Hamster just knocked his food over. So yeah, that's the best plug-in in the whole house. Let's go back to the hamsters and I'll end the video. Did Food Face make a big mess? Look at me, all innocent. He's just like, oh, nothing happened. Innocent much? You got it on tape, right? I'll check your security camera system after. Okay, so bye for now. Thanks for watching from the hamsters and Food Face. Wheels barely moving. Wonder why. Could be all the cardboard tube shoved in the back of it. Gotta fix her cage now. Jeez. Bye for now. Thanks for watching this random video about modding a Tassimo machine. Thanks for watching. James is in bed, surprisingly. He would say subscribe, all that. Bye for now.